guys, let's stop saying PI and let's elevate it to
Correct.
thank you.
Or
Or
F
like,
you. Let's stop F you.
in a week, I would earn like 50,000 pesos. Not bad for like
Saan
a
ka ba nagbebenta
high
nung
high
school?
school and
kasi mga
college.
classmate
Yung
niya.
mga po, ano,
Oo.
ano,
O bago
mga
mo ako
rich
i-bully, bumili ka muna. Buy now, bully later.
Para to show din, in a way na parang sweet revenge. In my own way na, tingnan mo na ako, nasa na ako ngayon, diba? So,
Pangarap ko
ayoko
maging
nun.
FHM model dati.
Direct wala akong kinalaman dyan.
Your 30s, the decade where life gets real. Some days you feel like you've got everything figured out. Other days you're questioning your career, relationships, and what you're actually doing with your life. Welcome to Trentitas, your hangout for navigating life in your 30s. A space for real conversations, diverse stories, and honest perspectives about the things we're all trying to figure out. Because the truth is, nobody really has it all figured out. And that's okay. So sit back, join the conversation, and let's make sense of this decade together. This is Trentitas. Real talk, good vibes, and life in your 30s.
Malapit ka ba sa mga ano?
Hindi. Wala lang. Yung fear lang na gano'n.
That's what
fear
you're
of-
supposed to say. I don't know or I don't remember. Because if you say a fact, it will be used against you.
Oh, Your Honor, I do not
Oo.
recall.
So kahit sabi mo, ay parang naalala ko, yung maliit lang na sinabi mo can
Correct.
be used against you and that's so
Really?
dangerous.
Nasuspend na ng lawyer ng...
Yung kabila, yung prosecutor. Oo. Kaya much better. That's
So
why,
you learned a lot from that.
oo, di ba narinig yun dun sa mga Senate hearings? Parang, I don't recall.
Yeah.
Parang, wala ka naalala.
Yeah.
Lahat na lang, hindi mo naalala.
nainis yung mga tao.
Pero the
Safe.
safest
Oo.
way. Oo.
Oo nga,
To evade
no?
the question. Kasi once you answer question, mas dumadami yung possibilities eh.
Correct.
So, mas nako-corner ka. So, you just say, I don't remember.
Okay.
Kaya pala.
Mm.
Okay, let's start from the beginning.
Nakakainis siyang pakinggan actually, no? Yung lagi na lang,
I don't recall.
amnesia.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oo. Oh, hindi sila tanga. That's actually,
The safest.
yeah, it's,
Or
it's
nagtatanga-tangahan. Yun yung sinasabi nila eh.
Oo, yun na lang sabi mo, I don't remember. Para tapos na.
What do you remember your 20s?
But what do you remember?
Oo. Like, kasi Trentitas is more of like transitioning yung mga 20s sa mga cringe moments. To
Yeah.
30s na yung growth natin and maturity. So, who were you in your 20s?
Okay, I was like extremely, hindi naman materialistic, pero very,
No,
Why
ako naman,
not?
I love material
Baka naman tayo
things.
lahat sa ganyan.
Ako, hanggang ngayon, aminado ako.
Lalo na yung nagsa-17, 18 ka na, lahat ng magagandang bagay
Yes.
gusto mo meron ka.
Hindi
Lalo na
kasi-
kung uso sa school.
Oo.
nung una kasi, ugly duckling ako. So, pangit talaga yung face ko nung bata ako. Like, in terms of
Sinong nagsabi?
skin ko.
Kahit nanay mo, nagsabi?
Yung mga classmates ko na sobrang magaganda.
Oh.
Talagang-
In comparison lang, you think ganon.
They say it. Like,
Ay,
sobrang
sama
binuli
naman.
ako.
Grabe.
From kinder to high school. So, nung mga 20s na ako, medyo nag-transition na ako to the point na inisip ko, what if I stand taller? What if I speak better?
Confidence.
Yeah, what if I put makeup, go to the
Mm-mm.
derma? So, there were a lot of like changes physically. Tapos, syempre, internally, doon na rin nag-change, diba? So, medyo
Confidence.
yumabang ako ng slight nung mga 20s ko. Tapos, I started modeling. And
Yumabang in a sense na hindi mo na sila pinapansin. Yung mga bully mo, ganon.
Hindi, but I thank them. I
Ah,
thank them
okay.
for putting me in that position kasi it raised the bar of wanting to, just
Improve yourself.
look way better and also pakita sa kanila na porkit morena ako, 'di ba? Maganda naman 'yan kasi Pilipina tayo, 'di ba? Kasi sila puro mga tisay. Ano kasi I came from Poveda. So a lot of the girls there are very
Halfies.
shiny. Cute talaga, very
Yeah.
pretty. Pero yung ugali kasi hindi ganong at
Hindi.
par with their faces eh. Medyo sama ng ugali talaga. Pero not all of them naman. They were nice.
Pero yung mga bullies mo.
Yung bullies,
Oo,
yun yung
masama.
mean. But I just wanted to really change who I was sa college para to show din, in a way na parang sweet revenge. In my own way na, tingnan mo na ako, nasa na ako ngayon, diba?
Saan ka nag-college?
UANT.
Okay.
But that's one way to look at it, no? Kasi minsan, bullying, it really puts you down. It destroys
hurts.
your self-esteem, your self-worth.
Mm.
But then, you should always remember na why not maybe assess then.
Mm.
If you listen at it, assess, and then maybe you can really do something about it. Then you're taking over the power. Diba?
Yeah. So you catapult yourself to like, like breaking the wall na sinasabi niya, ay, pangit siya na to. Oh, hindi kaya. So, diba? it's up to you to really, assess
Mm-mm.
if it could be in a mean way, pero if you take it and like absorb it, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna change the way I look. So, and
At
feel.
kaya mo naman i-control yun, i-change yung look, yung ugali hindi.
Correct. Pwede naman.
Pwede
Oo,
naman
may
i-change
character
yung galit.
development naman tayo. Bigyan natin sila ng
Sa
chance.
30s yun,
Oo.
sa 30s.
Oo.
Bigyan
True,
natin
true,
sila
true.
ng chance. Diba?
Pero you reinvented yourself physically in 20s. Now in your 30s, like, what's your new reinvention of yourself?
In my 30s, after many struggles in life, I realized na I need to be detached by certain situations. Yung tipong may nangyaring masama, I won't preempt the situation and say na, ay, masama siya. Or, ang ganda na nangyari ko. Kasi kung masama siya, magsa-spiral down ako, tas parang sobrang nega yung feelings ko. Or if I say sobrang ganda niya, I will attach myself to it, na talagang I'm going to be so in love with the situation. No,
Grateful,
I just wait for the moment to realize na, nangyari pala siya due to this, and this is the reason why. So I don't want to define any situation anymore. Parang kung nangyari na, nangyari siya.
So it's a matter of perspective lang din.
Yeah. Pero I
Yeah.
just don't attach myself to situations agad na, kasi parang I don't want to be hard on things anymore. I just let it go so fast. And once I let it go, then the lesson will come.
So, walang extreme emotions. Walang super happy.
I
Do you have
try.
that fear? Parang minsan ganun ako. Pag
Oo.
sobrang happy, oh my God, may darating. Yung inuunahan mo na, bakit sobrang happy ko? Baka may masamang nangyayari.
Ay, gano'n.
Diba ganun sila? Kasi sabi kasi na matatanda, ganun. Pag happy daw.
Parang when it's all sunny, that's when the darkness will come in.
So I'm like sometimes, bakit masyadong masaya? Dapat hindi masyadong masaya.
Gusto mo
Dapat
kalmado
nandito
lang.
tayo. Oo,
Oh.
dapat, maintain lang.
Pero kasi, yung feeling matanda, ang dami ko na napagdaanan. So I learned na seasons siya. May waves. Ganon.
Correct.
So kung may dark moments, tanggapin mo. Kasi
Correct.
nandun tayo.
Oo.
Pero pag may happy, nalagpasan ko yun.
Mm-mm.
Ganun.
Mm-mm. Alam mo, na-mention ni Karen kanina yung pag-focus niya sa pagiging affiliate.
Career mode si
Oh.
Karen.
And then, a lot of people still have, yung thinking nila na pinuput down nila yung mga taong
I think kasi when they
they
see
used to be
you,
popular and then ngayon
Oo.
napapanood nila sa app, nagbebenta.
Yeah.
What do
May
you think?
stigma
Oo.
about
there's that idea na parang, oh my gosh, ang cheap na niya, or parang ano bang ginagawa niya sa career niya. But if you really look at the numbers, that's the reason why we would do live streaming. Kasi you really earn so much more than an artist on TV would earn. I started kasi doing a lot of brand deals. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag brand deals, syempre,
malaki ang
malaki siya, definitely. It's like one ad, like one commercial, diba? Pero wala kang yellow basket. So, the component of selling is the yellow basket, right? So, noon, I would not want to do projects with a yellow basket because I don't know if I'll be able to sell talaga, to be honest. Like, I have zero idea if I have the capacity to sell. So, when the idea of live selling came in, I just did it out of the idea na parang gusto ko lang matry. Kasi I wanna open more doors. Pero I would see other artists. Pero yeah, still, yung idea na, oh my God, ano mo ginagawa niya sa phone niya? They used to be so glamorous on TV, diba? But why would they spend hours on it? So, once I did my first ever live stream, yung GMV ko, or yung gross sales ko, was around 6 digits agad. So, when I experienced that at nakita ko yung numbers compared to how much I would spend in a taping or in a hosting project, I was like,
Mas mataas.
I'd rather do this.
Yeah. And but there's also a pressure, right? Like converting your viewers. Kasi when you say you're vlogging or you're just posting a content, mas iba yung pressure when you're selling because you have to convert the viewers to buyers.
Well,
Or the
actually,
algorithms and the...
I don't even think about that anymore kasi once you're live streaming, ang daming bago na papasok na mga tao.
Mm-mm.
There's so much visuals na it's more of, I don't expect for my old viewers to purchase. It's more of the new ones. Tsaka may help din naman kasi ang mga brands, they boost the videos. So parang it goes, your win-win situation na ikaw, they're helping you bring in more audience. Now, your job is to ensure they stay and they understand the product. Kasi if they know if it's really, really good, and ang pinaka-importante, you eloquently share why it's a benefit to them. Kasi they're already there so capture the moment, diba? So, then I would see, I did well. Kasi nakita ko following count ko tumaas siya in a huge number. Also the sales. Like, once you see the numbers, you can compare analytics na. At 3 hours, I should be earning this much. And
okay.
dapat average ko na yon. Pero if I was below it, obviously my energy was low.
Mm.
or may mga
Be
components.
effective. Ganon.
May components na you will learn from. Mm.
Did you ever see yourself as like to be as entrepreneur or like into sales?
Yeah.
Ah.
When I was a kid, like in high school, college, nagsisell ako ng mga accessories. Tapos
Okay.
gumagawa ako
Okay.
necklace, like belts,
Hilig din ako
and then
ng
earrings.
ganyan. Oo,
Yung mga DIY.
magbenta-benta. Oo. Para pang baon.
Baon.
Pero ako naman cookies, mga
Ay,
ganun.
Ay, you bake.
So you make accessories.
Yeah. So I would go to mga stores like per piece, ganyan. Tapos in a week, I would earn like 50,000 pesos. Not bad for like
Saan
a
ka po nagbebenta?
high
nung
high school and
Kasi mga
college.
classmate
Yung
niya.
mga po, ano,
Oo.
ano,
O bago
mga
mo ako
rich
ibuli, bumili ka muna.
Medyo afford naman nila. Oo, true.
Naku,
Buy now, bully later.
Ay, gusto ko yun. Tagline. MJ.
Pero hindi bullies yung bumibili sa akin, no?
Mga
Ay, naku,
friend.
wala talaga silang pakinabang.
Wala talaga. Wala.
50K high school.
Yeah.
Grabe.
And then college also. Pero nung nakita ko, may gumagaya na, umalis na ako sa business.
I love that. She knows when to stop.
Diba?
Oo.
Kasi like, syempre, market share. Hindi. So I wanted to change na my way of earning. Doon na ako nag-model nung nakita ko, may gumagaya na. Sabihin na I did well, diba?
What age did you start modeling?
I think mga 18s, 16, ganon. 15.
So young pa.
Gano'n.
Yeah.
What were the fear? You were so young.
No
Like, how
fear.
did-
Kasi like, if
You really
everyone
wanted
says
it.
you're ugly, you kind of want to push the limits.
But the parents, what they...
Oh no, they didn't like it.
Okay.
Kasi very business-minded yung family ko.
So doon nagmana. Doon ka
correct.
nagmana sa fam mo. Yung
oo,
business-minded.
business-minded.
Yeah.
So parang sinabi nila, you don't need it. Like, we're financially okay. Medyo nakakaya sa kanila yan. Pero eventually, ginawa ko na lang, nag-transition ako to radio para hindi nila ako itsugi na completely. Kasi there's more to them. It's more respectable to be a broadcaster, or parang at least it was more acceptable na professionally,
Than
it seems.
modeling.
Kasi there's more, parang permanence, like parang ganon. Mas
Stability.
stability, oo. So parang, since narinig yung name ko sa radio, parang yung mga friends ng family ko, oy,
Proud
natutuwa.
na,
Hindi yung,
proud.
ano ba yan? Yung suot na naman yan, mga ganon. Diba?
What
By
kind
project.
of modeling was this? Bakit yung
Oy,
suot?
18 pa lang siya.
Ano yung suot to?
So that's why it wasn't respectable.
Ah.
Those were the days na I was doing like FHM, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Not by choice.
Gets.
It wasn't by choice. It was more of like magazines that would get you ladies, would not get me. Kasi they would like high fashion women. Eh ako, bagong-bago lang ako. I was like more of, siguro they saw me more on the sultry side that time. So napunta ako sa mga magazines na iba. And then nag-flourish yung career ko doon, which again was not by choice. And hindi ko na matanggal yung stigma na yon, yung image na yon. Ang hirap na makalabas sa box na yon.
Talaga.
Even when you were a DJ already?
No, when I was a DJ, I stopped, like a hard stop in that career. Para lang the female brands would get me, the gadgets. Kasi those other brands will not even touch anyone from that scene. Kasi puro male brands yun eh. Like kunyari, siguro
Car show.
Yun!
Yeah.
Once you're in those, you cannot enter a beauty con. The ladies hate you. You know what I mean?
Pero
so,
pangarap ko
ayoko
maging
nun.
FHM model dati.
you want
Pinipili
that?
naman natin lahat yung
pangarap
magazine,
ko
di ba?
yun. So I'm ready na. Not sure.
Wala na eh.
Direct yung wala akong kinalaman dyan. Hindi ko influential.
Pag nakikita ko kayo, parang quick reality check. Trentitas. Umiinom pa ba tayo ng vitamins or vibes lang? Parang hindi
Oy,
ko kaya vibes lang.
Totoo yan, ha? Minsan kasi sobrang busy, nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo.
That's why we like the Trentitas bundle from Goodies Nutrition.
Super low effort. Gummy vitamins na may collagen, glutathione, vitamin C, and zinc. Para support sa skin, glow, at overall care.
At least alam mong may ginagawa ka for your skin and body.
Kasi let's be honest, this is our best era.
So,
If
you're a fellow Trentita, try the Trentitas bundle from Goodies Nutrition.
Pero I mean, what's so bad about being sultry and
And
respected
embracing
in that
your
industry at
ano.
the same time? Diba? I
It's-
mean,
It's the siguro, yung male, yung parang rar, alam mo yun?
Male gaze?
Oo, no. You guys haven't read the magazine, clearly. You've just seen the...
Oh, kasi syempre picture lang. Bata
oo
pa ako
nga.
ng picture
At
lang.
ano,
Picture book
hanggang
sa
front
akin.
page lang kami.
Yun yung reason why. But if you read
Oo.
inside, I mean, it's very, very R18. Oo. So, syempre, what you will get are R18 reactions and also yung mga
Gets. Yeah.
offers that aren't very, very respectable. You know what I mean? So, I didn't like it and I wanted to get out of it immediately. Kasi on the projects that came in were all like that. So, I just wanted to completely change the image. And that took a while. Like, siguro mga 2 years of just like decluttering, alam mo yun? Like, saying no to a lot of projects that paid well and being comfortable na, okay, wala akong anything this month because I have to make sure na hindi ako makikita sa ganon.
For your brand, no?
Oo. Kasi I had a vision for myself and I didn't want that. So I did radio after it. Ayan,
But
so
did
thank
you
God.
have to let go of a part of you? Syempre, you became someone, diba?
Mm-mm.
Modeling. Did you have to let go of some part of you entering a
New
era
scene?
of-
I was playing a part lang naman there.
Okay, so
I was like really just acting
would you say
out.
na napipilitan ka lang?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hindi naman sa sobrang napipilitan, pero more of like I was playing along,
Mm-mm.
thinking na I was
Dahil
acting.
yun yung opportunity na meron at the
Oo.
moment.
My aim was like Mega Magazine.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun, yung Meg Magazine. Although nag-appear naman ako
Candy
slightly. Candy Magazine. That's where I wanted to
Ako
be.
rin.
Not
Candy
in
girl!
a sultry
Cute, no?
magazine. But wala eh. It's part of also, I guess, the learning process
Correct.
of what, madedefine mo kung anong gusto mo pag nandun ka sa ayaw mo.
Oh, I love
Diba?
that.
Tapos you're gonna have a hard boundary once you're experiencing what you don't like, which I guess okay na rin. Para now, when I do have a project that's offered to me, I can say no immediately and not think about, oh, but I'm gonna earn so much. Ayun. So I think that's a good experience.
Ang ganda ng quote yun, malalaman mo kung anong gusto mo.
Oo, pag nandun ka sa ayaw mo.
Mga ayaw.
Mm.
But, syempre, may mga regrets naman tayo, di ba? How should we deal with regrets?
I guess at the end of the day, like, you don't say it's a regret. It's more of something that just happened for you to elevate. Ayun. I mean, we all go through certain things we've done, no, we're not proud of, pero kailangan natin gawin yun. Like, looking back sa mga magazines, natatawa na lang ako. Ano ba yung pinagagawa ko? I would not even
But you
wear
still
anything
have-
like that.
Wait, you still have the magazines.
Oh, so yung mom ko, nung nangyari sa akin, nung nawala ako for like 5 years, sinunog niya lahat.
Oh, wow.
Oo, talaga, lahat talaga. Sabi, umiiyak pa daw siya. Binabato-bato niya yung mga calendar ko. And then, medyo madami-dami din yun eh. May mga cards pa ako. And
So
then,
you kept them all.
pinagpunit-punit daw niya, tinapon-tapon daw niya. And I'm like, na-imagine ko lang.
Ano reaction mo?
At first, I was like, I those are memories. Pero inisip ko din, medyo nakakaya na rin eh.
Ano
Okay
yung
lang din naman.
reconciliation mo?
Ng mom ko?
Oo.
Well, when we were in a dark time together, I think sa start pa lang we reconciled na. I mean, it was already accepted na I'm in this situation. We have family na lang to take care of. So ngayon, it's more of like, walang away, walang, you did this, you did that. It's more of like, we accept our situation. Now we're gonna love each other till the end. And you're gonna,
Tayo na to.
tayo na lang. At least we've learned something from it naman. That's the most important part.
Okay, medyo malalim. Pero speaking of dark times, in your mind during those dark times, ano yung umiikot sa utak mo? Like when you're down or when you're just like inside your mind?
Maybe other people don't know, but I was in prison back in 2016 to 2021. And for something I didn't do.
Kaya street
5
cred. Yun
years?
nga,
Oo,
yeah,
yeah.
acquitted si sis.
I was acquitted.
Kaya sabi ko street cred kasi nasa prison siya. Huwag mo awayin yan.
Friends ko yung mga kakosa. Alam mo yun?
Saan?
Sa Pasig City Jail. But of course, since I visit a lot of the jails,
Oo.
even Bilibid, nabivisit ko yon. And yung For women naman, ayan. Basta yung mga big names.
Correctional for
Yes,
women.
yung correctional. Yung mga big names na nakikita nyo sa mga cases, nakikilala ko na yon. Kasi pumupunta ako for
Mhm.
outreach programs.
Oh, so it became your advocacy now.
Yeah, to visit them.
Kim Kardashian! Diba?
Oo.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
as a
I was
lawyer.
thinking of
Yeah.
becoming one.
Yeah, justice system, prison
Mhm.
system.
But I got so busy with hosting. But
Mm.
anyway, so I do return to bring in more skills kasi one of the things that people go through inside is yung parang walang ginagawa. Alam
So
mo
much
yun?
time.
So much time is lost. Every single day we have 24 hours, yet they're so idle. That's why they start fights. They start like,
Drama.
creating things in their head na
Yeah.
hindi naman existing. Or some of them lose their ability to speak or to just be
Totoo
normal.
yun.
May mga iba, like nakaupo na lang, nagsasalita na kung ano-ano mga sinasabi na I'm like, wow, yung imagination mo. Diba? Pero it's only because nababaliw sila because they're so idle. So then I realized we have to make ourselves busy constantly and to also have a lot of interactions and activities para to make themselves feel that they are still part of the community and also, alam mo yan, each and every day is a meaningful day.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, nagdadala kami ng mental health doctors sa loob, lawyers, and also yung mga nagdadala ng skills that can make them earn in the future. Oh, yung mga as simple as longganisa making. Alam mo yun?
Or
Parang
bag making.
bag making, beads
Brace-
making.
Yes. Oo.
Oh, and then you give them the chance to realize there's a lot of other ways to earn than illegal things.
Kasi parang
Diba?
kung nandun ka, idle ka, it dehumanizes you also na parang, ano bang, what am I living for? Diba?
Yeah.
I actually thought they're busy. Siguro sa mga napapanood ko lang sa
Ay, sabi ko, is it like
Akala
Orange
ko
is the
maraming
New Black?
ginagawa.
Yes. Well, madaming ginagawa na ngayon. Pero noon
Oh.
kasi, talagang may mga araw na parang gaganong-ganon ko na lang.
Talaga?
buhok. Alam mo
Ah.
yun? Yung naghahanap na lang kayo ng mga surot at saka kung ano-ano dyan. So parang, or naghahabol kayo ng mga daga. I mean, it's really nakakabaliw after a while.
But you don't have access to books, mga...
Well, when I came in, there weren't much books and the library wasn't touched. So I really encourage everyone to read. So
Yes.
nagpasok ako ng
Oo.
books. Pero nagkamali ako kasi puro English yung pinasok ko.
Ah,
So,
okay.
natameme sila lahat.
Oh.
And I'm like, bakit di kayo nagsasalita? Kasi di daw nila
Maintindihan.
maintindihan. So I brought in Taglish books. But I also had a lot of mga National Geographics magazines. So visually, yung mata nila parang lumalaki kasi they've never seen countries like the US, Antarctica,
yes.
Japan. Ang alam lang nila yung kanto dun sa sa
Correct.
bahay
Ito,
nila
tas ito na,
na
dun na sa-
nagtotoong it's.
Oo.
Alam mo yun?
Oh.
So, because they see more than what they normally see, it gets them excited to get out there.
Ah.
Oo. And just to experience life in a way na parang very wholesome,
Oo.
sober.
Yes.
So, the families, how often, I bet,
They don't get
sobrang
dalaw.
konting
Sobrang wala.
visitors na lang.
Siguro like 1% lang yung dumadalaw. And if ever for women, yung mga partners nila, most likely have partners na outside. Kasi they can't wait that long.
Oo.
Diba? And also the support. Ibang babae, pag nakulong yung husband, yun, dadalaw sila ng dadalaw araw-araw.
Mas supportive palalo.
Yeah, pero pag
Magdadala pa ng ulam.
exactly.
Oo.
Magluluto pa, di ba? I don't know how she juggles it. Pero pag babae yung
Yung
nakulong,
nakulong.
oh bro, he's in another house
Tama.
already. Di ba? So,
Nag-move
very
on
unfair.
agad.
Very, very unfair
1%,
talaga.
sa correctional, mga 1% lang yung visitors.
Ay, so, ang correctional kasi, yung mga na sentence. In other words,
okay.
it
Gets,
took
gets.
them so long to get there. Siguro naka 6 years,
13
10 years na sila.
ganun, oo.
Tapos malalagay sila doon. Mas permanent na yung experience. Kasi
Mm.
ngayon, stuck ka na doon.
Yun na yung life mo.
May life, sentence
Yeah.
ka na or like 10-year sentence. So, sobrang tagal ka na doon. Pero once you're still in BGMP or a normal jail, you still have this idea na baka makakauwi pa ako.
Yeah.
Diba? May
Oo.
chance ka
May
pa.
hope pa.
May hope pa. Kahit na mag 10 years yan, there's still a chance. And dun sa area na yun, yan, baka maybe may magdadalaw sa'yo. Kasi normally, ang nasa correctional, from all over the Philippines yan.
Mm-mm.
Pwede ka sa ibang, like, pwede kang
Davao,
Cebu,
ganun.
Davao, whatever. Tapos ililipad ka doon.
Mm.
Pero dun sa jail, you're still in your community.
Okay.
Diba? So, pwede ka pang madalaw. So,
Now I know. Thank you. Medyo.
ba't parang papasok ka dyan
lang.
anytime
nga.
soon?
Ano ka?
Wala.
Pero it's nice to know.
future.
It's nice to know.
I should bring you girls inside.
Grabe.
Yes, please.
Maybe when I go to Believe It, kasi normally I go
was
to female dorms.
Pero paano ba maging ano doon?
Tatawagan ako ng mga to.
Paano ba makapasok doon?
Papasok ko kayo.
Anyone?
No. It's very strict. Very
Yeah.
strict.
Pero I was able to visit a correctional when I was in college.
Where? In Mandaluyong?
I think so. Oo.
Ah.
Yun, correctional na. Kaya yun yung nasa isip ko.
Yun. Yun
Oo.
talaga yung pang permanent
Oo.
na.
Ay, hindi ko alam na permanent na yun.
But
Okay.
doesn't 5 years felt like forever? How did
Yeah.
you find
Yeah,
that
I
little
know.
hope na parang someday, paano ka kumakapit every day? Na ang haba-haba ng oras mo, but at the same time, yung walang nangyayari.
Mm-mm.
Antay ka lang sa sentence
Oo,
mo. No?
yung saan ka humuhugot ng
Sa
lakas.
yung promulgation naman. Pag sentence kasi sinabi mo
sorry.
talagang chugi ka
Ay,
na.
Oo.
wala
You know what I
akong
mean?
alam
Oo.
sa legal. Sorry. Okay, go.
Well, 5 years, it was really like an everyday parang struggle. Parang today hopeful, tomorrow you're like
Iba
desperate.
naman.
And then makita mo yung katabi mo, umiiyak dahil
Oo.
namatayan siya. Tapos parang inisip mo, what if that happens to me? Something happens to my family and I'm not even there to
Mm.
support them, diba? And also there's a lot of occasions you will miss.
Mm-mm.
Like
Yeah.
Christmas, New Year, the most important, diba? Parang mga
Birthdays.
occasions, your birthday, lahat yan. Everything will be like generic.
So, paano yung days mo? Like,
Pare-pareho na
nagbe-blend
lang
in
siya.
ba?
Well, ang ginawa ko na lang is I accepted positions. Like, I became a leader. So, being a leader, I had a lot of things in my mind. And one of those, I was thinking, I should aim to make this jail a better one. I was just creating mga goals in my head.
Why not? Diba?
Oo, para lang maramdaman ko na I was leveling up. Also, I tried my best to make halubilo with everyone. Talaga understand them, their problems, and how I can better them. Diba? Parang inisip ko lang, okay, maybe I could be a therapist here, and maybe I could be a teacher here. I could teach them how to write as well. Kasi walang nagsusulat sa loob eh.
Talaga?
Oo. Tsaka hindi
Bawal.
sila nag-i-English. Bawal, correct.
Right?
Kasi yung ball pen
it's
and
matulis.
pencil
Ah,
is
oo.
bawal.
So, paano?
So, ang ginagawa ko, I would have classes wherein pwedeng maglabas ng pencil. Pero nakatago siya. Like dun sa office.
After.
Oo. Regulated yung paggamit. And at the same time, I would bring in movies. Although, very special, request yun.
Okay.
Kailangan talaga makipag-friends sa mga duty.
Mm.
And then, documentaries.
Sabi mo,
Oo.
bawal yung movies na yung parang pwede mag-break out sa
Yun. So, yun.
Bawal yung mga movies daw na parang
That
matuturuan
will
kang
give them ideas.
na paano mag-break out.
Correct.
Bawal yun.
Oo.
Pero kasi may mga
At ang dami na
times,
kasing films na ganyan
Yeah.
ngayon.
like Shawshank Redemption. I don't know if you guys know that movie. Pero yung na yun, it was a good man who was in prison. And sabi niya, naintindihan lang niya ang mga crimes nung nasa loob na siya. Parang natutunan niya maging masama sa loob.
Okay.
Nagawa ng
Naging
illegal.
corrupt. Ano na siya?
Pero anyway, he found a way to like dig himself out of the jail after 20 years. So,
So, bawal yun.
Kasi naman,
may idea
napagkakasya
sila.
nila yung sarili nila sa kahit na anong...
ang nakakatawa, pinalabas ko yun doon.
Oh.
Kasi syempre, I just want everyone to feel the,
Ma-entertain.
the hope. Pero sabi ko, guys, wag natin gayahin
Oo.
Kasi,
Disclaimer.
Oo. Kasi kung gayahin natin lahat tayo, we're gonna be in trouble, diba?
Correct.
So I just, air mga movies like Orange is the New
New
Black
Black.
na series,
Yes.
ganon.
Yeah.
Wala, parang matuwa
Natuwa
lang kami.
sila doon.
Natuwa sila.
Yeah.
And nakakaintindi na sila ng English kasi I would speak English to them.
Nice.
Parang I would have like, guys, let's stop saying PI and let's
Oo.
elevate it to
Correct.
thank you.
Or
Or
like,
like,
let's stop F you.
no.
Binago lang.
English. Being in my 30s, I've learned to really care for my body. And that's why I love how Goodies Nutrition created the Trentitas Bundle.
The Trentitas Bundle reminds me that embracing my body is prioritizing my health. Kaya, kung relate ka sa kwentuhan natin sa podcast, huwag na pahuli.
Be a healthy, beautiful, and fresh Trentita with us.
Get your Trentitas Bundle now from Goodies Nutrition.
Yeah.
Basta,
In English lang pala, ginawa lang silang social.
para cooler, no?
F you took my meal.
With the twang.
Oo.
With the twang. So, ibawal sa akin ng bad words.
Mm.
Kasi may punishment sila. and then they don't get benefits. So they try their best to write and then to also, speak English, thank you, mga ganon. And mas sweeter na yung mga tao kaysa yung maangas na parang. Kasi once you say words like PI, parang lumalabas yung kasamaan mo for some
correct.
reason.
Parang
So,
yung normal.
yeah. So changing vocabulary helps soften their personalities, I feel.
I love that hindi mo pa rin, I mean, you can say that it was the darkest time of your life, but then now you found the light in it, diba? Bumalik ka pa rin doon, hindi ka na trauma with the place.
Yeah. Yung parang hindi mo
Hindi mo
na-avoid.
kinalimutan.
Mm.
Kasi ganun tayo minsan when it's a bad memory.
Experience.
We don't want to be around it.
Mm.
We don't want anything that would remind us of the
The-
situation.
yeah.
Diba? Alis mo yung sarili mo totally out of it. Ganun pag yung gusto mong kalimutan yung dark past mo. But I love how
Oo.
you face this, how
And
you handle
yung
it.
growth niya na parang this is not the
Oo.
end. I can teach, I can become a leader.
Yeah.
Diba? I can change lives inside there.
Mm.
Siguro when you're inside kasi you only have yourself to take care of. So parang ginawa ko, I healed myself kasi alam ko na yun I wanna have trauma. I don't wanna be afraid of being beside the police. Isipin ko na, baka bully na naman niya ako, di ba? So I didn't want that.
Oo.
Kasi before being in jail, for some weird reason, I think my soul knew what was gonna happen to me. I always had this fear, kunya may patrol or may police, na parang, ba't ako natatakot?
Or magtatago ka.
Or wala
Aren't we
namang
all? Parang
reason.
may common fear lang naman tayo pag nandyan sila. Parang wala naman tayong ginagawa, nananahimik lang naman
Unless
tayo.
pogi yung
Hala,
police.
be careful, baka next ka na. Joke lang.
Wala
Hindi.
na, di ba? Alam mo yun, yung dadaan ka lang, ano na naman kayang gagawin?
Sa'yo, diba?
Hindi naman. I mean, like, pag may patrol lang, feeling mo may hinahabol sila or may nangyayari ba around me? Is it not safe? Yung ganun lagi yung naisip natin. Pero we shouldn't fear naman talaga police.
I can't really say. I mean, like, I've seen a lot of them lie and do illegal things, especially from my experience. So, yeah, tread carefully. As soon as you see a police, never join them in the patrol. Okay? Even if sabihin nila, na i-interview ka lang, huwag ka sasama,
Yung ba yung nangyari
especially.
sa'yo?
Oo, especially pag alam mong wala kang ginawa, huwag kang papayag kasi
Pero
hindi
sabi,
mo
interview
kailangan.
lang.
Oo, interview lang. Sabi nila na I will just be asked questions. Uuwi ako agad.
So,
Alam mo
ikaw
yun?
naman, okay, game.
Hindi
ganon.
naman, it took me a while, like 30 minutes to agree
Ilan
to
taon ka
join
na?
them.
20.
Yeah, pero it was my ex kasi na patrol na first. So parang sabi niya, join in para support. And I'm like, inisip ko,
So,
parang
as a
my mind
support
is,
lang, supposedly.
oo, my mind and heart was saying no.
Okay.
And then,
Instinct mo,
instinct
no.
ko was saying no, pero naawa naman ako. And
Correct.
they were waiting and
For
waiting.
you.
Hindi naman yung hinihila with
Oo.
cuffs. So I'm like, okay, maybe.
Dapat call my lawyer, ganun dapat.
Wala pa, hindi pa ako ganun ka-smart
kasi-
ng time na yun.
And alam mo yon, kung pinilit ka to the patrol, you'd think na may kasalanan ka.
Oo, hindi.
Kasi kinakausap lang naman siya ng maayos and inaantay lang. So parang siguro sa kanya, eventually, she's like,
I'm gonna go.
Oo.
They have
wala
nothing
naman
against
silang
me.
gagawin sa akin.
So, walang-
Oo.
Yeah, so never do that, guys.
Okay,
Never
thank
join.
you for that tip.
And since alam niyo na, I'll call my lawyer.
Yes, I'll call my lawyer
Oo.
first. Sino maka-speed dial sa atin? Sino
Maghanap na kayo just in case. Mm-mm.
That's a crazy experience.
I
Were you able
know.
to share all of that naman online?
Yeah, I've shared it to a lot of people. But of course, yung mga parang transitioning, like parang spiritual growth, etc. I mean, there's still a lot of things to share about that. Kasi really, once you're inside that area, you're gonna change. You're not gonna be the same person as before. And you're gonna look at the world in a different light. Oh. And also, at the same time, yes, like when I look at the police, I don't believe all of them. I'm so
correct.
sorry. Like
Yeah.
when you see people at power, I've seen everyone lie.
Mm-mm.
And that's why, what's happening now in the government, power talaga, no matter how much you enjoy it right now, how much money you have right now, it doesn't mean you're right.
Yeah.
Mm.
Kasi time will really, give to you what you deserve.
First day out, anong unang ginawa mo?
So, nung alam ko nang lalaya na ako on that day, and mind you ha, even if you're acquitted, it will take a long time before you will be set free.
Mm-mm.
Kasi of documents, I mean, the government is just so slow.
Our system.
It took siguro a week, or at least 5 days to 1 week.
Ay, hindi parang, labas na ko.
Oo.
Oo,
malaya na.
sabi ko acquitted. So, uwi na ba ako today?
Mm.
Oh my
Hindi
gosh,
pa.
it went on for like how many
Days
days?
and days. Mm.
So parang yung lingering moment na ina-announce ko sa mga tao, it went to the point na parang, hindi ko na nga alam.
Kung
Hindi ko na-
kailan. Oo.
Hindi ko na alam.
Oo.
Yung tipo
Oo.
nag-aayos na ako ng gamit, then the next day,
And wala
Wala
pa
sige
pa
na
rin.
nga, ibabalik ko na lang
Oo.
kasi parang wala pa. And then, the first time I stepped out, it was the first time I wore casual clothes, like jeans for the first time.
Kasha pa.
Oo. Kasi ang ginawa ko, nung nan-jail ako, tumaba talaga ako. Kasi I can't see myself physically.
Yeah.
Walang mirror, diba? And also, yung free size na shirt, sumasabog na ako. As in, like, I got so fat. I ate instant food all the time.
Junk food,
Junk
chips.
food, hot
soft drinks.
dogs. Yeah, everything that's bad. Okay.
Mm.
And then, I ballooned. My skin got so bad. So, I just told myself, I really want to go home already. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I have to physically be ready. Parang just to mindset myself na palabas na ako.
Yeah.
Even though parang the world seems impossible for it to happen. Kasi nagko-COVID din eh. So, lahat
Mm.
nag-stop.
Andun ka COVID.
Oo. So, yung
Oh, wow.
yung hearing stopped also.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So, I worked out at around 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. every day. Everyone's asleep.
Asleep.
Quiet pa lahat.
May roommate ba?
Darkness.
Working out.
Roommate?
Ay, malay ko ba? Hindi naman.
There are like 70 to 90 people nakatabi
Ay,
ko.
shucks. Ano mo parang,
Ano to, ginawang clinic?
Ano to, condominium?
Okay, very
apartment.
Posporo po.
O tapos,
Room.
miss?
Oh, yeah. I had roomies.
Mm.
And then, so yung FYI, the way we roomie is like, we sleep, dito ako, tapos may katabi na ako dyan. So, that tight. Ganun
Mm.
kami kasi
70 kayo.
mga 70, 90, it goes up to 130. So, it really depends how the government is doing as of the moment. Pero on war on drugs, we were like 150 in a room that's supposed to be 30 people.
Wow.
Oo, ganun talaga siya nag-balloon. Sobrang patong-patong yung mga tao. Pero, yeah, 4 to 7 a.m., I was working out until the sunrise. And then every
Saan
time.
ka nag-workout? Sa
Doon sa
room?
pinakataas na,
pwede
na floor.
lumabas,
Hindi pwedeng lumabas. Kasi ang jail, ngayon, pataas na siya.
Mm.
Hindi na siya flat. Kasi pag flat, it's very easy to just escape. You know what I mean? So, they make it level by level. So, yung pinaka-top is the activity area. And it's very enclosed. Pero, meron pa rin window na makikita mo yung sun. So, I would always look at the sunrise. And when I look at it directly, parang may mga bars, sabi ko, one day I will be able to be out there to experience the sun and feel you on my skin. Pero I just really wanna,
Grabe, kinilabutan ako.
I just really wanna watch you every time I work out and feel like you're at your best state. So, I got abs. I really lost weight. Oh,
Wait,
talaga.
what year ka nag-start na I wanna be ready to be out? Pag ilang years
Nung
na?
lumabas ako 2021, so 2020, without an idea na
Na
makakauwi
pandemic.
akong 2021.
Okay.
As in, zero idea kailan ako makakalabas. Kasi yung si judge ko namatay.
Ay.
Diba?
Hassle?
So, ano na naman, back
Ulit,
to zero.
back to
ka.
zero
Oo.
na naman. Tapos may bagong judge, sabi niya lang siya, temporary lang siya. So in other words, hindi niya talaga pakikinggan yung case namin.
Yeah.
Parang just to say na merong nakaupo doon. And then nung 2021, may bago ng judge. Pero ang reputation niya, hatol siya ng hatol. Oo, so nakakatakot, 'di ba? Pero sabi ko, mindset ko talaga, hindi mo ako nilagay ni Lord dito para mabulok, 'di ba? So sabi ko, I will work out. So I did. And then I couldn't see myself, pero I felt chiseled. I felt like I had abs.
Anong mga equipments niyo doon?
Wala!
body
Talagang
weight.
Body weight.
You run,
Okay,
you
okay.
do like,
Ikaw gumawa ng sariling program.
oo, araw-araw yun. So,
Wow.
I really sweated it out. I felt the strongest in my life.
Mm-mm.
And also, I like the discipline of just being up in the morning, waking up before everyone was up. And then, after that, I would meditate.
Mm-mm.
So, I would read a lot of self-help books. So, sabi ko, I need to be physically, mentally, and emotionally ready by the time I get out. Because I don't know what's the world out there.
Who gave you access to the books?
My mom.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
nice.
Which I requested naman.
Pero like taking care of yourself really helped with your sanity din.
Yeah, because there were girls there that did not take care of themselves. And may iba nawalan ng voice. Or iba got crippled because they didn't want to move much. So if you don't really exercise like a certain part of your body, you talagang dwindle down. Your muscle erodes. You start looking so old. Ang dami doon na parang sinasabi nila, matanda na ako. How old are you po ba? 46. Girl, you're not even
Oh,
old.
yeah.
You're young. But, because they have a mindset na ito na yung buhay, they start, gravity is really pulling them down and it's really sad. So that's why movement is so
Yeah, pero ang
important.
ganda ng awareness mo na I'm gonna, turn my life. This is not it. Diba?
Yeah.
I'm gonna work on myself.
Mm.
And diba, ang ganda na I'm gonna be fit. I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be like macho when I get out. No, I
Macho.
like it. Like, kung ako rin siguro, makukulong. Yun lang gagawin ko, workout lang ako. Tapos, magkaka-abs.
I'm sure you have a newfound level of gratitude
Oh, yeah.
things and just your how you see things now. What are the things that you really appreciate the most?
Now, I just appreciate number one, family, having them around, waking up. Honestly, when you wake up kasi you realize, oh, there's so much possibilities. Waking up means it's another
Day.
reset. Oh, so what I tried though is the gratitude. I have really zero problems with that. I'm so grateful about everything. Is to remind myself na I shouldn't judge a certain situation as bad or good agad. I just try to neutralize everything. Yun yung talagang in-emphasize ko sa sarili ko. Kasi now, we sometimes get stuck in a situation. Like if someone does something bad to you or someone says something bad, parang inisip mo, ay, bad na siya.
Correct.
Hindi.
Pero
Pero
yun yung nabasa mo.
Ay, gusto ko
oo,
yan.
I just don't want to define anything anymore kasi in time, you will actually get a lot of lessons from it.
Parang kung bad talaga siya.
Hindi, wala naman
siya,
talagang,
buhay niya yun eh.
wala naman talagang taong bad. Wala
Okay.
talaga.
Wala talaga.
Meron silang mga demons lang siguro inside.
Fighting their own.
Yeah, and
demons.
maybe we will be part of their transformation. I don't know. I just like to try to think about it na we're all, parang kunyari, sabi nila, si Judas daw, he was
Traitor.
actually, he's a traitor,
Yeah.
but he was given that job to show to the world, diba? Na, the good and the bad,
Yeah, the
diba?
betrayal.
He was just given that position, diba? So, could you really say na he's bad? But he was appointed to do that, diba?
Okay.
So, yun
Ang
lang.
ganda, ay, napansin ko, like, yung perspective, everything you encounter na, like, may ibang perspective na it's not good and bad. And that's something we can take in na parang not everything that happens to us na masama is bad, diba? Like, look at it another way. Being in a dark place helps you to come out to the light. Diba?
Pero may mga bagay ka pa bang tinatry unlearn at this point?
To
Unlearn.
unlearn?
Hey, you. Yes, you. Trying to survive your 30s without losing your mind? This is Trentitas, your modern hangout for real talk, laughs, and figuring out life one episode at a time. From career chaos and friendship drama to love, growth, and the occasional existential crisis, we've got you covered. Plug in, hang out, and let's figure out life together. Because nobody really knows what they're doing. And that's okay. Follow and subscribe to Trentitas on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. Catch highlights on all social media platforms.
Maybe kasi paulit-ulit siyang nangyayari sa atin, di ba? And then I think, maybe it's something from childhood that I experienced. That's why I still see it happening now. Or is it like, kasi I believe in manifestation eh.
Mukha naman, kasi from your experience, minanifest mo na makakalabas ako dito. Diba?
Oh, pero may mga bagay talaga na nagre-recur sa buhay natin.
Yung patterns.
May patterns eh. Patterns na parang kahit na ang dami ko nang napagdaanan, it still happens. So maybe because nga, I don't know if you guys know shadow work
I know that.
in therapy.
Oo.
That's where they go back in time when you were
Your
a child.
inner child.
And then they go through certain situations. Tapos binabasag nila yung mga situations na yan para hindi mo siya madadala sa pagtanda mo. So meron akong mga ganon. Hindi ko pa siya nababasag.
But
Ayun.
it's hard. Kasi like ako, vinivisit ko yung inner child ko. And now parang happy ako to visit. Dati ayoko eh. So parang gets ko yung shadow work na you really have to like work on it.
When you say you visit it, is it more of you've accepted it na, tapos you've
she's
outgrew it na?
comfortable
Or,
I think it's more of like when I visit my inner child, it's like happy na ako makita siya. Hindi ko na siya ina-avoid. Like happy na love ko siya na parang may mga things na dati siguro hindi ko na-realize. Pero now, if I talk to my younger self, sabihin ko, you're so cool. Ganon. And like, kasi may kids na ako eh.
Mhm.
So, syempre, kailangan ko i-heal yung part of
Correct.
that. Kasi if I don't heal it, sabi mo,
So you don't
you
pass
bring
them
it.
on.
Kasi
Oo.
that's my fear to pass it on.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Kaya gets ko yung sinasabi mo na yung shadow. And hindi ko na sa healing ka rin eh.
Oh,
Mm.
until now naman. I
Mm.
mean, not because you've overcome something. I
Yeah.
think we always have to try to overcome a lot of things. It's a constant grind.
Pero what's your best, siguro, method? Kunyari, meditation or kapag with your healing?
I meditate a lot, morning and night. And then ngayon, I've been listening to yung mga positive songs. Like parang, I don't chase, I attract. Yung mga
Your energy.
super cute
Yes.
na
I
mga
heard that. I
songs.
heard that
Oo.
song.
Yung mga parang,
Budget your energy, gano'n?
I exist to earn. Parang ganon. Like,
Yeah.
mga songs siya of affirmation. So I just listen to it and groove to it every night and morning. Pero I do 1 hour of just like being silent. Kasi I have to really tone down the emotions
Correct.
every morning.
Kasi sometimes visits you, di ba?
It's always does. Like,
Yeah.
there's a lot of triggering things nowadays. Little things trigger. So, dapat talaga you tone it down through meditation.
Mag-ground.
Oh, but I'm telling you, I still get irita a lot of times. But I just
It's a
don't
constant work.
let it linger.
Mas aware ka na now.
Tsaka, siguro ngayon, hindi na siya long-term
Mm.
yung effect sa akin pag may nangyari sa
Kaya mo
akin.
na i-cut na.
Oh, and then
Oh.
just, again, not judge if it's bad or good. It's just what it is. Then move on.
Wait, nakalimutan ko. Anong ginawa mo the day you were able to...
To
Oo.
be set free.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo nga, napahaba yung
Oh my gosh,
nagsinahan.
yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, nakalimutan
Okay.
ko. Okay.
So, nakasuot na ako, di ba? Ganda ng hair ko, nag-brush na ako, naglagay ako ng makeup. Oh my gosh, so excited. Pagbukas ng doors, oh my gosh, ang bango. Although it was still in jail, pero ang
Iba yung
amoy
amoy.
sa loob na kulog na parang depressed at alam mong talagang they're all parang feeling hopeless. Outside felt so much hope. And you just smell
There's a smell.
the sun. You just smell like the happy beginnings. And then, as soon as the doors opened, I remember it so well. Alam mo yung parang may suction, tas natanggal. Tas parang, wow! Oh my gosh! Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. So what I did was, since this is the gate of the female jail, tas ito yung male jail, so medyo mahaba-haba pa siya to get out of the
You walk.
jail.
Okay.
No, I danced. I danced. And I was like making kaway to everyone. Guys, I'm going home. Bye. Tapos parang they call me DJ Card. Oy, uwi na si DJ Card. And then they all did this. It means I love you. Diba? I love you. Tapos we're all like, yay. Ganyan. And then I'll be saying, uwi ka na. Ikaw, uwi ka na rin. So that's like, yay. Uwi na tayo lahat. And then when I got out of the gate, I specifically told my mom, can you have someone record me once I get out? Because I want to see and relive it. Thinking also na maybe I can share it one day. And then, so my driver took a video and then I got my certificate of release. And I'm like, yay!
Graduation.
Oo, tapos yung mga tao nang nasa labas, yung mga nagbebenta ng pagkain na never ko nalapitan, pero dun lang sa patrol na gumaganon akong, inuwain ko sila. Guys, oh my gosh, nakalaya na ako. I visit ako one day. And then, pagpasok ko sa vehicle, kasi van, for the first time after 5 years, I'm
Your
riding a
mom
van.
picked
No,
you up?
she wasn't there kasi
Okay.
COVID eh.
Ang
There was
pala.
an envelope. And then it says your first new phone. So I was like, so I'm an Android girl, so she gave me an Apple phone, which is totally fine with me. So I held it. I was like, oh my God, I have a new phone. Kasi yung kinonfiscate na phone ng mga
Wala
PNP,
na.
never nila binalik. Although they didn't find anything, obviously they stole it na. And then I got my cell phone, and then I was like, I want to do selfies. Selfies. I took selfies, and then that's my first vlog. Ayun.
What was the first meal? Saan ka unang
Oo nga.
kumain?
At home.
At
Sa bahay lang. And then I really, as soon as I got to my house, na-realize ko, laki pala ng bahay ko, no? Ang ganda pala. Like talagang, oh my gosh, the floor is so shiny. I've never seen a shiny floor before. Kasi syempre, once you're living in your home, you don't get to appreciate
Correct.
how
Be
beautiful it
grateful.
is. And then na-realize ko, oh my gosh, may class pala yung mommy ko, no? Ang ganda pala ng
May
bahay
taste.
namin.
May
Oo.
taste.
And we had so many couches. Eh, then sa loob ng jail, nasa floor lang kami.
Yeah.
So,
Oo.
Wala, hindi mo nga makita yung floor.
wala
Dami
kami.
naming couch.
Oo.
My
Well,
bed. Oh my God, it's so big.
yeah, my bed's like a queen size bed. And then
Oo.
nung time na nasa jail ako, ano lang talaga, parang
Cot.
parang metal lang yung hinigan mo or wood lang. So talagang flat na wala pang cushion.
Cushion.
Wala. Ngayon,
Para ka naging toddler ulit. Yung so
parang naging-
appreciative of everything.
yeah.
Wow!
Exactly.
Oo.
And then when I saw a mirror na top to bottom, I was like, damn, this is how I look now? In fairness, I lost weight, sabi
Oo.
ko. And I fit my clothes. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I have long hair. Oh, I still look good. Sabi ko,
I love it. I
How
can-
was your first bath?
oh,
In the
hot
shower.
water. Kasi tabu lang kami doon.
Oo.
Shower.
Oo, yung tabu doon, like limited lang talaga yung tubig. May isang time pa na 4 lang na tabo yung pwede mong magamit. So talagang
110.
ililimit mo siya. So
Apat
ngayon,
lang na buhos?
oo, so ang ginagawa ko, isang tabo, hairs, gaganon-ganon ko yung hair
and then
ko.
titipirin pa.
Titipirin talaga. And then, yun, sa 4 na tabo na yun, you have to be done from start to end. So ngayon, I really made sure yung hot water was like matagal. I really enjoyed it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is how hot water feels. Oh my God, I felt great. And then having shampoo from a bottle. Kasi sachets lang sa loob.
Okay.
And then sabi ko, oh my gosh, now I can use conditioner. Kasi
Wala
we don't have conditioner inside. And also, wow, an expensive sabon na whitening.
Yeah.
Congrats.
that was really,
Pero
really
I
amazing.
love how, paano mo binaliktad yung bad experience, the dark
Yeah.
moments into something positive and good. And now you have an advocacy that you still continue. Ano yung mga nalolook forward mo in the future?
I look forward to, of course, working with more people, definitely. Kasi although I do have an advocacy, careers has been number 1 in my life. Like hosting events. Ngayon, I've been hosting internationally na rin. Because that's my
wow.
aim. I really want to go beyond the Philippines.
Oo.
And at the same time, I want to be able to keep sharing my story. So ngayon, I do a lot of speaking engagements about what happened to me. But also within marketing, like branding, or just changing your image. Kasi ever since I was a kid, from being bullied to being in a magazine,
You had
a lot of rebranding in my
yeah.
life. And also just being stigmatized in jail, I had to rebrand myself also to get out of that image, diba? So I really do share that in a lot of like companies, schools, etc. Ngayon, internationally, I get invited as well. But aside from that, of course, the advocacy continues. I really get a lot of people from jail that are still not overcoming their traumas. Like they're
Yes.
still stuck. Hindi sila maka-move on to the point na feeling nila may humahabol pa rin sa kanila dahil nawalan sila ng pamilya, na they think that is life.
Correct.
So I try my best to share more content or just to go inside jail and to refresh na, guys, the reason why you're still alive is because God is giving you another chance each and every day. You have a chance to be a better person. And once God sees na, oh my gosh, I think you're ready, then He will give you the exit and to have a new beginning talaga outside. Pero it will take a lot of time.
Correct.
So, ang dami talaga mga nakalaya na hindi pa rin naka-move on. Feeling nila nakakulong pa rin sila. And that's sad.
Yes.
It's very sad kasi they've already been given a chance to renew. Pero if your heart is still stuck in the past, you can never even take another step forward or even have another new family or like, opening
New
yourself
life.
to a career. Wala talaga. So they need guidance.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
wait ako.
Ay,
Big learning ko lang is about judgment. Kasi ang hirap from your bullies, judge ka na pangit ka, but you prove them wrong. And then what happened to you, na-judge na yung image mo. So I admire how you were able to pull through all that. And thank you for that learning na they're not bad. Any situation, anyone's not bad or good. It's just, how it is. Yan lang. Thanks for that learning.
Thank you for
Yes,
a very
well.
insightful conversation
Mhm.
at sa pag-open sa eyes namin sa mga bagay na of course hindi natin nakikita, 'di ba?
Ako gusto ko,
other side of
if you're
life.
gonna visit, sama.
Ay, really?
Yeah. I
Maybe
can teach
believe it.
volleyball. I can teach
Oh,
volleyball.
they'd love that.
Yeah,
Oo.
oo.
Sa female dorm ka na lang.
Pwede
Oo.
ba magbigay ng bola? Ganun.
Yeah, pwede ka
mag-iwan?
magbigay.
Hiram
Oo,
lang,
kasi it's
and then
silent.
Iwan
sinasa
ko
uli
na-
after.
Yeah, they
Oo,
place
para
it in their
mag-iwan
sports
ako ng
area.
bola sa kanila.
Wow. I think that
Yeah.
would be so
Let
nice.
me
Oo,
know.
that
Sa
would
ano
be nice.
tayo correctional?
Yes.
Kasi
sige.
mas may,
may court sila.
May
May
court
malaki din
sila.
eh.
Oo. O baka I can invite you also.
Oh,
ah.
hindi ko kaya magturo ng volleyball pero support.
No, you can teach
Sa cheering.
makeup. make up,
Pwede,
diba?
pwede.
Kasi madami mga little parlors doon, pero hindi ko maintindihan yung paano nila
Ginagawa
nilalagay
nila.
makeup.
Oh,
Oo,
okay.
you
Pero
could do it professionally.
beauty.
That's
Ganun.
cute. Sige, pwede. Oo, let's
Okay,
set a
I will
date.
bring both
Thank
of
you
them.
so much for being with us
Thank
today.
you.
And
Really
thanks for
enjoyed
sharing,
it.
being
Oo.
open about your journey. Because
Oo.
sometimes it's hard to, open up about those dark times.
Mm.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
I'm so happy to
And
have
you want to
you.
invite our...
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you guys follow me on social media, Karen Bordador. And as mentioned nga, I do a lot of TikTok shop projects. And
Yes.
FYI, a lot of those that I've earned from there, I actually give back also sa mga outreach programs. So you can help also at the same time.
Oo.
And if you guys are brands that would love to bring in sa mga gels, sa mga products, I'm into bringing in makeup lately.
Okay.
Parang inisip ko kasi, I wanna make them pretty. Kasi
Oo.
normally I
Yeah.
bring in slippers,
Take
hygiene
care of
kits.
yourself.
Oo, pero ngayon parang gusto ko talaga magdala ng madaming
Makeup.
Ako,
makeup.
conditioner. Kasi sabi mo
O
walang
sige.
conditioner.
Conditioner.
Pampalambot ng hair.
At the whitening soap,
Oo.
diba?
Okay,
Ayan.
sige. Oo nga, magdadala rin kami nito. Ako bahala sa inyo, guys.
Ayan,
Ang
pwede
dami
tayong
namin
mag-share
ito.
ng... Pwede ba mag-share ng multivitamins?
Yeah,
Ito.
yeah.
Gusto nila to.
Glow
Pampa-
bodies.
Oo.
Gusto
I
ko
feel
yan.
like yung pang-immunity.
Ay, ito, pang
sobrang
buhok.
importante.
Oo.
Yeah.
Daming nawawala na ng buhok kasi stress sila.
Oo nga,
Totoo
no?
yun.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, glow and
Power.
love.
Kilala natin ng power.
Yeah.
False
Ako bahala
promise.
dyan. Dami namin yan.
Oo. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
And that's another conversation on Trentitas, the podcast where we figure out life in our 30s. If today's episode made you think, laugh, or question your life choices just a little, then we're doing something right. Remember, you don't need to have everything together in your 30s. Let's learn, grow, and embrace the chaos along the way. Thanks for hanging out with us. Follow and subscribe to Trentitas on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. Catch highlights on all social media platforms.